Welcome back for another tutorial of this series. Totally didn't forget about this. Anyways, you've seen most intermodal trains in a game that you have played, and it has different companies on them. But you've somehow stuck with this. Too bland looking, am I right? So I'm going to show you how to make randomized containers just like these ones, including an extra feature. Let's get on to it. Here's the stuff you need for it. Firstly, we're going to make the containers look quote-unquote disappear by clicking on them. Add the decals and a click detector. Then make a script, name it whatever you prefer. Make two functions first, namely on and off for simplicity. For the on function, add all of the decals, change the transparency to 1. Add a variable to help detect whether it's visible or not. Make it true. Do the same thing but an opposite for the off function. Now make a function, named onClicked. Type player in the parenthesis as the variable. Then type the following on screen. After that, make a connection for the click detector to the function itself upon clicking the part. First step done. Now we're going to make a script that randomizes the decals based on what number it gets. Add another script, and a number value. Now make a randomize function as shown here. Numbers can vary, so I'll just put 1 to 5 for example. Now make another script for the list of decals for the containers. Make it disabled. Now make a variable for the number value as the last one, but this time we are going to add an if statement. Inside of it, add the IDs that you want to put for the decals. Add another part to change the color as well. Make sure it matches the colors from the decal you've got. Now go back to the first script we made. Add these lines here to prevent any issue upon loading. Let's test it now if it works. You can clearly see the different companies on at least every container you have, which is great progress. Now I'll show you one more feature for this. It is optional to do. So you know sometimes that railroads carry specific brands that you see, so we're going to add a string value. Put the number value you created and move it inside of the string value. A little note that you might have to change the directory in the scripts. Not going to explain a lot here, but this is what it's supposed to look like, but you will get the idea not long after. Now type the name of the brand and then test it to make sure it works. If the decal is displaying, that means you have a working container that you can place on your well cars. That's all for this tutorial. I know it is rushed, but please remember that this style will apply for the rest of the whole series. Anyways, see you on the next one.